In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to wrap text around an image in Mailchimp. This is a simple design trick that makes your emails look more professional and easier to read. Instead of having a big image sitting on its own line with a block of text underneath, you'll learn how to place an image to the left or right and let the text flow neatly around it, just like in a magazine or blog post. First, start by adding a text block to your campaign. In the Mailchimp editor, look for the content panel on the side and drag a text content block into your layout. Drop it exactly where you want this combination of image and text to appear. Once it's in place, click on the text block to open the editor and type or paste the text you want to appear around your image. It's usually easier if you have at least a few sentences there before you insert the image. Next, place your cursor in the exact spot where you want the image to go. This could be at the very beginning of the paragraph, after a word, or on its own line. Then, in the toolbar above the text, click the Content Studio icon, which looks like a small picture or photo. This opens your Mailchimp content library. Now, choose the image you want to use. You can either upload a new file from your computer or select one you've previously added to your library. Once you've selected it, click Insert. The image will appear directly where your cursor was placed inside the text block. As soon as the image is in, you'll see style options for it. This is where you control how the text wraps. Look for the Align dropdown and choose either left or right. If you pick left, the image will sit on the left side and the text will flow along the right. If you pick right, it's the opposite. After selecting the alignment, you should immediately see the text wrapping around the image in the preview. To keep things looking clean and readable, add some margin around the image so the text doesn't bump right up against it. In the image style options, you'll see margin fields for top, right, bottom, and left. Enter a small number of pixels, like 10 or 15, to create a little padding. You can adjust each side individually if needed to balance the spacing. Once you're happy with the alignment and spacing, preview your email and make sure it looks good on both desktop and mobile, then you're all set.